In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing Steam game icons in just 5 minutes. This is a common issue that many gamers experience, and it can be frustrating not being able to see the familiar game icons on your desktop, but don't worry, we'll have it sorted out in no time. So, let's get started. First, you need to locate the game icon or shortcut on your PC screen. This might seem obvious, but it's the first step in making sure you're working with the right game. Once you've found the game's current icon, I want you to right click on it. This action will reveal a drop down menu with a variety of options. From this menu, you'll need to select Properties. Now that you're in the Properties window, ensure you're on the Web Document tab. This is where you'll find the settings related to the icon. The next step is to click on the button that says Change Icon. This will open up another window where you'll be able to browse through different icon options. You may find it helpful to have a specific game icon file ready on your computer, but we'll go over how to find it through the File Explorer as well. In the Change Icon window, click on Browse. This will allow you to search your computer for the game icon. Head over to this PC and then double click on your Windows C drive. Now, it's time to navigate to the folder where Steam stores its icons. Open Program Files, x86. In this folder, look for and select the Steam folder. Once inside the Steam folder, click on it again to proceed further. In this next directory, you'll find a folder named Games. Open it and you'll see all the game icon files. Select the appropriate icon for your game from this list. After selecting the correct icon, click OK, and then make sure to hit Apply to save your changes. At this point, you should see a new game icon displayed in the Web Document tab. Confirm this by clicking OK once more to close the Properties window. And just like that, you've restored your missing Steam game icon. In just a few simple steps, we've managed to tackle the issue of missing icons, ensuring that your desktop or game library looks just the way it's supposed to. If you run into any troubles or questions during this process, feel free to rewind the video or leave a comment below for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Happy gaming!